Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will speak about why consistency is the main key to become a fluent English speaker. I have already said that consistency is the main key to become a fluent English speaker on my previous video. And consistency is not only for fluent English speaker, it also need for to achieve your dream job or achieve any goal. If you want to be a fitness and or become a big businessman, all they need consistency. If you do anything for 10 minutes every day is more powerful than working 2 hours once a week. Actually, consistency makes builds habit and habits build success. Think it like a watering plant. If you watering plant once a month a bucket of water and expect it grow, but if you water small but every day it will blooming beautifully. Consistency gives you patience, focus, and discipline. It mo- it can move you even when results are slow. That is separate dreamer to achiever. So don't wait for a perfect day. Start small, stay consistent, never give up. Remember, teeny step every day create massive success. So be consistent, be focused, and watch your dream come into reality. Thank you for watching. How do you like my video? Please comment me. And do you consistent for your goal? Please comment below. Thank you for watching.